Welcome back to the series. So right now, at the previous time we learned about if statement. Here still the program, but always we have to revise what we did the last time. So it is a if statement. Here the first if, and I opened it here and I crossed it here with the curly bracket. So same as to this if, and I crossed it around here, and same as this one. So at this time we are going to be looking for how to use the if else statement from the decision control structure. Firstly, let's revise this. If the value entered is greater than 0, that means that the number is a positive. So that's why here the message says that the number entered is positive. So we jump on the next if. The number entered, if it is less than 0. So I think you understand that. It is a very understandable, deeply understandable. So that's why the number is a negative. So the last one, if the number is approximately to 0, this double equal, they are there to test, they are testing, they are checking. Does it equal to 0? Does the number entered equal to 0? So that's why we entered dual equals. So as usual, after the revising the previous program, I delete them at all from the main function. I delete it. So at this time we are going to be looking for how to use the if else statement from the decision control structure. As we said, if statement was about deciding if this happened, and if this happened, and if this happened. But we are going to be looking for how the if else statement, if this happens, else, apart from that, else. So at this time I'm going to check my name. Let me first declare string and the name as a variable, semicolon. I jump on the next line. So the program says that please enter your name. So that's why I firstly give a message to the user within the quotations. So enter your name, then colon, I ends by semicolon. Then the program reads what is entered by the user and leads to where, with those extraction operators, into the variable called name, ends by semicolon. After reading the name, what will happen? So I know my name. Let's use at this time the name asterisk. So on that line I may say if the variable entered, it is a name, is equal to asterisk, approximately equal to the name asterisk. Remember, it is not a variable, that's why I have to put it in the quotation, asterisk, like that, and I go there and I open this if. So that's why I may output cout and a message, and say, let me give a message, you have same name as mine, like that, and it ends by semicolon. So apart from that, if the name is different from the name asterisk, so that's why I might say else, like that, then I open it up, then I say cout, insertion operators, then I give a message, hello, like that. I think you remember about a concatenation, name, like that. I ends by a semicolon. So this is the program of today. Firstly, I declared a variable. It is a string. I think no name within a numbers. So that's why I declared as a string. It is a combination of characters. So I give a message, enter your name please, and if the user entered the name will be stored in the variable called name. If what is entered by the user approximately equal to asterisk, it will output you have same name as mine. So else, if it is not this, it will output this. If not this statement, it will output this. So I may save it because I saved it before. Then I may compile it. Now as you see, 0 errors, so I may run it. Enter your name please. Let me enter asterisk like that. Now you see the output. You have a same name as mine. So let me terminate it and I run it again to enter a different name. Let me enter Jean like that and you press enter. Now you see here the output, hello Jean. So that's how the if else statement works. Until now we learned about if statement and if else statement. So soon we're gonna learn about nested if, because right now we have two options. It may be this or this, either first option or a second option, but we're gonna deal about a nested if that says there is more option, more than two. So I think guys, thank you for watching. You just leave a comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for today.